The Honda PCX125 has always been one of those scooters that quietly does almost everything right. It's stylish, practical, fuel efficient, and easy to live with. But the big question now is, what could the 2027 Honda PCX125 bring to the table? After watching the scooter market for more than 15 years, I can tell you one thing. Small scooters are no longer just basic transportation. They're becoming smarter, more refined, and more exciting than ever. Fresh and modern design, the 2027 Honda PCX125 is expected to continue the sleek and premium design that made the PCX lineup so popular. Expect a sporty front end, sharp LED lighting, smooth body panels, and a modern city-friendly look. Honda understands that PCX riders want more than just good mileage. They want a scooter that looks expensive, feels comfortable, and stands out on the road. The new model could bring subtle design updates while keeping the familiar PCX identity, engine, and performance. The PCX125 is expected to remain focused on efficiency and smooth, everyday performance. A refined 125cc engine should provide enough power for city commuting, while keeping fuel consumption low for daily riders. Smooth acceleration and reliability matter more than extreme speed. That's where Honda has always been strong. The PCX125 should continue offering an easy and relaxed riding experience, especially in busy traffic, comfort, and technology. Comfort could be one of the strongest points of the 2027 PCX125, a wide seat practical riding position. Under seat storage and modern digital features could make it an excellent choice for everyday use. Honda may also improve connectivity and display technology, giving riders more useful information without making the scooter complicated. Why, it could be a smart choice. After 15 years of following motorcycles and scooters, I've learned that the best machines are often the ones that make everyday life easier. The Honda PCX125 has always understood that idea. It may not be the fastest scooter on the market, but it could be one of the smartest choices for riders who want style, comfort, efficiency, and trusted Honda reliability in one package. Final thoughts: the 2027 Honda PCX125 could continue the success of one of the most popular premium scooters in its class. If Honda improves the technology, comfort, and efficiency while keeping the price competitive, this scooter could once again become a favorite among city riders. This video is based on available information, industry expectations, and possible future updates. Final specifications, features, pricing, and availability for the 2027 Honda PCX125 may vary by country and may change after Honda's official announcement. Please check Honda's official sources or authorized dealers for confirmed information.